In recent years, digital artists, creatives, and designers have been spoiled for choice when it comes to graphic tablets. Senselabs Pen Tablet is a brand of pen tablet that may be new to many artists. It is marketed as a new alternative, new inspiration for artists and creative professionals. The tablet features a unique design that is more comfortable and ergonomic. Let's take a look at whether or not the Senselabs Pen Tablet is a practical tool for artists and creative professionals. We will see again. The Senselabs Medium has come in a large, sealed-wrapped box. The model name of the pen tablet is prominently displayed on the front of the box. The back of the box contains details and features, as well as illustrations of the product. That's pretty good. Upon opening the box, one will find a thank you note from the Senselabs team in many languages. Flip the back, you will see the quick start with the QR codes. A drawing tablet, we will take a look later. After this, is a fabric sleeve for the pen tablet. A pen box has 2 pen sizes in the case. Cable in this box. I am quite impressed with Senselabs' premium materials and design. The texture of each device is very good, and the assembly is sturdy and pleasant to use. This is, in my opinion, the most important factor. The Senselabs Pen Tablet is a well-made and well-designed tablet. It has a large active area. One of the best things about the Senselabs Pen Tablet is its ergonomics. The active area is 10.33 by 5.8 inches with a 16:9 aspect ratio. The surface is slightly matte. Above, under the Senselabs logo, there are 3 shortcut keys that can be set. This design makes it easy to use for both left and right-handed people. The fabric sleeve for the pen tablet. This is one that is hard to come by in a box with a pen. Personally, I like that it comes free. It looks good, has good material, and has strong stitching. The fabric sleeve is particularly appreciated, as it makes it easy to carry the tablet for outdoor use, and I love it. The pen storage box is made of high-quality materials that provide a premium feel. The Senselabs comes in 2 different pen sizes, a thin pen and a large pen with 3 buttons. No batteries are required. It supports 8,192 levels of pressure and can be tilted at 60 degrees, like standard pen tablets. Inside the pen storage box are 10 replacement pen nibs, 6 standard plastic nibs and 4 nibs that provide a pencil-like drawing feel. The included ring can be used to pull out the nibs to replace them. The last one is a box of USB-A to C adapters, a user manual guide, and an artist glove. And all things in the box are here. We will try it out. The Senselabs software has an easy-to-understand UI. To install it, you can download the drivers from the Senselabs website. They support Mac OS, Windows, and Linux systems. Open the program, and we will see all the devices connected to it. With Senselabs drivers, the pressure response is precise and fast. Everything works well as expected. This speed painting video, I've done by the Senselabs Pen Tablet Medium within 3 hours and a half. I can say that during use there is no problem at all. The surface of the drawing area has a good smooth texture, the pen cursor is excellent, consistent, and predictable. On the bottom of the tablet is the rounded design that really works. It helps not to have a lot of wrist pain when used continuously for a long time. The workspace is standard with a medium-sized 10x 6-inch pen tablet, which is good enough for usability. Overall, the Senselabs Pen Tablet is a great choice for artists and creative professionals. It is well made, comfortable to use, and has a large active area. If you are looking for a new graphic tablet, the Senselabs Pen Tablet is definitely worth considering. I really like it, and I can say this Senselabs Pen Tablet is one of the great pen tablets. I would like to express my gratitude to Senselabs and Digital Friends, the official distributor of Senselabs Pen Tablets in Thailand, for providing me with the Senselabs Medium pen to review. You may view more information about Senselabs Medium and buy one at the link below. For the full review article, you can read it on my website rozarasart.com. You can see more of my artwork on Facebook, Instagram, ArtStation, and DeviantArt by searching Rozaras. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and comment on this video, you will not miss the next video. Sawadee Kub.